up, YouTube? It's Josh here, and I'm going to do a little review on my Airsoft gear and stuff like this. So this is my 007 James Bond gun, at least I think it is. This is my regular 9mm pistol. Let's see if we can get this out of here. So that's yeah, it's nice. It's a Crossman. Then I use 25 gram BBs, 5,000 count. It's by Crossman. Then this is my full auto machine gun. The scope does not work. It just holds BBs in it. It's pretty nice. It's battery powered. Then this is my compass, so I know where to go when I'm playing Airsoft. And this is my mask. It covers your ears, your face, all that good stuff. Then this is my rifle right there. I broke it a few days ago. I was playing a game of Airsoft, and I cocked it, and this thing just came right out, that piece. So that's not good. But then, so that's my rifle. Then here is my holster. It's Uncle Mike's. That's the brand. And so yeah, that's basically a review of my gear. I want to thank Crossman for just having Airsoft stuff. I would recommend them. They're a pretty good brand. And I hope that you have a good rest of your day. Adios.